Hi, it's Rick Rose from Keller Williams. Today I want to talk about opportunity. If there's any investors out there, if you know anything about the rent-to-own, there is kind of an old, not so great way and a new, much better way. And it's the new, better way that I actually use. Well, I'm coming to you today specifically to investors. We are looking for an investor. I've got a gentleman who is a perfect rent-to-own candidate. Good job, been there a long time, nice guy. And he has found his forever dream home. He wants to do a rent to own. And because of the situations with everything, investors to a point have taken a step back. And I notice now they're kind of start coming back out again. So I'm looking for an investor for rent to own. I would be happy to sit down in my office with you and explain exactly how this works, how simple it really is for you, and how much money you can make over, say, a 3-year period of time. If you're interested at all, if you're an investor and want to invest in real estate in something that is absolutely safe and secure, I can explain that also, please feel free to give me a call. I'll have my assistant put my cell number right down here, and please give me a call. We'll set up an appointment. Looking forward to meeting you. Thanks a lot. Let's make some money. Talk soon.